Don't you talk already? Oh, there.
Wait for me.
Okay, you got your voice fixed. Okay. Wow. That's good air. Even if it's late, I slept too much, so. Oh, come on, doggy. No, I should do something with my dog. Come on, I'm gonna pet my legs. Oh, you're okay. Now you're here. I don't know what to do right now. Even if we're tired. I feel like sitting down. Come on, stop scaring me. My arm. Huh? My arm is fixed. I don't know how that car just fixed my arm. Thank you. Well, I think just cast off. My arm. God damn it. I think I'll just stick to this for now. It's kind of annoying me. Get off. Get up. Thank you, God. You're not the right car. Screw you. Almost three out. Oh, hopefully it doesn't take too long. I feel like walking you. Yeah, come on.
Oh shit.
Well, you're killing that thing.
Yeah. Look at that.
Finally, it's off. Been a minute for, I don't know.
Okay.
Oh, my kid over there might be sounding weird right now. Hey, tell him to shut up. Okay, what do you want to do for now? Wait, don't let your arm in. Your arm's not broken. Give me that. Oh, what you lucky was this? Okay, put it over your neck. I can't even tell you have fingers, but you have claws, at least. No idea what to do right now. I have a weak arm. Oh, okay. Let's go walk. Yay. Walk! Damn it. Okay. Okay, let's walk. Yeah. Okay, come on, let's walk. Okay, we want to walk. Come on. Whoa. Duck? A car? Don't want into that car, okay? Cars might be evil. You might get lost. They might kill you. Cars are murderers. There's a car right there. At least it's not moving. It's not a murderer. Only if it moves, it's a murderer. Watch out for one of these cars. Are you scared? Okay, just walk. Wait. Ah! I told you to stay back here. Whatever. Oh. Ah.
It's not murder. It's nice. It's just off.
Well, if you go underrate the tires might murder you, and they're evil. So stay away from it.
I can pop it with my claws. Oh, these are bloody. I forgot to tell you.
Oh, well, watch out for my bloody eyes. Maybe scary, but yeah. The
Pop
other
the-
me,
I'm gonna pop the
I was
top.
born like this. I was born in the devil place.
I'll be right
Yeah,
back.
and I just quit those guys. They always bother me a lot. I'm trying to kill their friends, but nothing worked out good. Don't even want to think about it anymore.
I know how to kill them.
No, you're a good doggy. I'm not that anymore. I'm the good person. I'm not them anymore. So come on, let's go. What did I talk about this car? No! Ah! Oh!
I'm still okay. I got mad at